This is a brand new 2012 Ram Truck. It has a 6-cylinder engine, a 6-speed automatic transmission, and 4-wheel drive. Features include a low tire pressure indicator, air conditioning, cruise control, a Sentry key theft deterrent system, tinted glass, a full-size spare tire, a stability control system, disc brakes with an anti-lock braking system, full power accessories, and XM satellite radio which streams commercial-free music, news, sports, and more. Contact us today to schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.